M equal to this matrix, and theta, which is used in matrix formation, lies between 0 and pi by 2. A set V is defined, and this is a vector space, and we have to find the dimension of this vector space. So first recall what is the meaning of dimension of a vector space. Dimension of a vector space is number of vectors in a basis. It means linearly independent as well as spanning elements. So to find dimension of this vector space, we let a vector a, b, c, these are constituent of this vector, belongs to V. If this belongs to V, it means it satisfies the property of V. It means MV transpose equal to V transpose. So take matrix M 1 0 0 0 cos theta sin theta, and the last column is 0 minus sin theta cos theta. This is column vector A B C. Now this is A B C. So you can recall Ax equal to lambda x. So lambda, value of lambda is 1. So you can say 1 is the eigenvalue of this matrix M. Also, what is the meaning of dimension? Suppose ABC belongs R cube, and we say R cube, dimension of R cube is 3. It means we are independent at each constituent, means we can choose any value of A, B, C randomly. So this is the meaning of dimension. So we are seeking at how many places we are independent, either A, B or C, or at all these places. As you can see in matrix formation, we can use matrix equality or equality of two matrices. So matrix this is 3 by 3, and this column vector is 3 by 1, and this is 3 cross 1. So output will be 3 cross 1. So first we multiply these two matrices which are in left hand side. So what we will get, A B cos theta minus C sin theta, and this is B sin theta plus C cos theta, and this matrix is equal to the column vector A B C, and by the equality of two matrices I can say constituents or corresponding entries is equal. So A equal to A, and B cos theta minus C sin theta is equal to B, and the last equation we will have B sin theta plus C cos theta equal to C. Now solve these three equations and try to find the values of A, B, C, or try to judge which constituent A, B, C are free. So using second equation, as you can see, second equation is B cos theta minus C sin theta is equal to B. To find the value of B, we need to transpose. So B taken as a common. So cos theta minus 1 is equal to C sin theta. So because of theta is lying between 0 to pi by 2, means theta cannot be pi by 2. So this value is not equal to 0. So I can divide. So B equal to C sin theta upon cos theta minus 1. If theta can become pi by 2, then we can't do this. So value of B is dependent on C, you can say, or one variable is dependent on other. So now use third equation, as third equation was B sin theta plus C cos theta is equal to C. Now find the value or put the value of B in this equation, as we already find in terms of theta or C, and this was cos theta minus 1 into sine theta plus c cos theta equal to c. Now take c as a common, so it will be sine square theta upon cos theta minus 1 plus cos theta minus 1 equal to 0. As cos theta never be 0, so I can divide. So the value of c is 0, means the last as value of c is 0, then value of b is also 0, means the vector as we let ABC can be written as A00. These two entries are fixed. It means that we are independent on the first constituent, means dimension of this vector space V is equal to 1. Now, this is a problem solving skill, and you can see how I try to find dimension of this vector space. So option B is